Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is personal financial planning process. The key component of personal finance is financial planning, which is a dynamic process that requires regular monitoring and reevaluation. In general, it involves 5 steps. Assessment is step number 1. A person's financial situation is assessed by compiling simplified version of financial statement, including balance sheets and income statements, and a personal balance sheet lists the values of personal assets, e.g., car, house, clothes, stocks, bank account, cryptocurrencies, along with personal liabilities, e.g., credit card, debit, bank loan, mortgage. A personal income statement lists personal income and expenses. And the second step is goal setting. Having multiple goals is common, including a mix of short and long term goals. For example, a long term goal would be to retire at age 65 with a personal net worth of $1 lakh or more, while a short term goal would be to save up for a new computer in next month. Setting financial goals helps to direct financial planning. Goal setting is done with an objective to meet specific financial requirements. And the third step is plan creation. The financial plan details how to accomplish the goals. It could include, for example, reducing unnecessary expenses, increasing the employment income, or investing in the stock market. Execution is our fourth step. So, execution of a financial plan often requires discipline and perseverance. Many people obtain assistance from professionals such as accountants, financial planners, investment advisors, and lawyers. And the fifth step is monitoring and reassessment. As time passes, the financial plan is monitored for possible adjustments or reassessment. Typical goals that most adults and young adults have are paying off credit card, student loan, housing, car loan debt, investing for retirement, investing for college costs for children, paying medical expenses. Needs for personal finance. There is a great need for people to understand and take control of their personal finances. These are some of the overarching reasons for it. No formal education for personal finance. Most countries have formal education across most disciplines or areas of study. Individuals pursue to learn in order to earn a livelihood. Their pursuit translates to earning tangible outcomes in the form of money. Even when we realize the above to be a primary object, there is a formal education at an elementary level in schools or colleges to learn money management or personal finance. Hence, it is important to understand this gap or disconnect in the education system where there is no formal way of equipping an individual to manage his or her own money. This illustrates the need to learn personal finance for an early stage in order to differentiate between needs versus wants and plan accordingly. I hope this video helped you a lot. I will be back very soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.